This is Melissa Morley with All Seasons Insurance, and today we're going to speak about how to become a life insurance broker. A broker is an insurance agent that represents the customer, meaning they have appointments or contracts with several different insurance companies to sell their product. To become a life insurance broker, you need to understand a little bit about insurance, and by the time you're a broker, you're going to understand a lot about insurance. When you start out, you need to decide what kind of life insurance you're looking to sell. With life insurance, you have term, whole, universal products, which do not require the 6 and 63 and 7 designation that you do when you sell the variable products and retirement products. So to start with, let's talk about your education. Most companies do not require that you have a college degree. So insurance is a good career choice to get into if college isn't something that you want to do or that you have. On the other hand, you better be prepared to study because the insurance industry requires a lot of education. You have to get your education to go and get your insurance licenses. License requirements vary by state. So you do your pre-licensing education, then you go and you pass tests. When you've passed tests and you have had your fingerprints run and you are successful in passing these tests, then you get insurance licenses. With life insurance, some states wrap everything together, one license will work. Other states require you to have license and disability for your insurance licenses. These licenses also require continuing education credits that you have to get every couple of years. Along with your license requirements, you then need to contract or become appointed with the different companies that you're working for because, as I said, brokers sell insurance through many companies to find out the products that are best for their customers, for their insureds. Different companies have different requirements, and although some are the same with your licensing and passing a background check, they're going to look at your credit history, they're going to look at your stability, and then, as I mentioned earlier, if you're selling variable products that are connected to the stock market, you will have to pass your higher levels of tests, the 6 and the 63. If you go to your state's insurance commissioner, they will have a complete list of what you need, and then you pass them. Now, as a broker, you can go and hire onto a large agency and you can sell their products, or some brokers decide to open their own agencies. Now, if you open your own agency, you're also required to get errors and omissions insurance, which is also another expense. But then you have your business plan, and you go forward and you market and you care about your customers, and you'll find yourself being an insurance life broker. Thank you. This is Melissa Morley with All Seasons Insurance.